Diocletian ruled from 284 through 305 CE. When Emperor Diocletian took over, the Roman Empire extended through most of Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia. Simply sending messages took weeks, and it was proving to be difficult to rule. The outer regions of the empire were essentially doing whatever they wanted. Diocletian decided to reorganize Rome in many aspects, most importantly dividing the Roman Empire into two: the Western Empire, based in Rome, and the Eastern Empire, based in Byzantium. There would be an emperor in charge of each half, but the two would work together against outside enemies. This decision helped lay the foundation for the Byzantine Empire to the east and allowed the western half of the Roman Empire to last for a few more centuries. When the Western Roman Empire did collapse, the Eastern Empire continued for another 1,000 years. The reign of Diocletian was not without issue, though. He was generally viewed as a brutal ruler who gave himself divine status as emperor. He thought the people should serve the emperor, not the other way around. He also implemented questionable economic policies like establishing fixed maximum prices for goods, which had disastrous economic consequences. The end of his reign was also darkened by the last major persecution of the Christians.